Hello friends, I have my first topic here about simple electric circuit. We have components available here to complete a electric circuit: LED bulb, switch, battery holder with two batteries double size, 1.5 volts each, jumper wire to connect the batteries, the bulb and the switch. So these components are required to complete an electric circuit. First step, I have connected the black wire of the battery holder to the LED bulb. You can see here, this is the first step. Second step is here, I have connected the jumper wire to the LED bulb. Third step, I have connected the jumper wire, as you can see, with the switch. Step 4, I have connected the red wire of the battery holder to the second point of the switch. You can see here. Step 5, I have inserted the batteries into the battery holder, and with this the electric circuit is completed. So this is the final result. You can see the circuit is completed and the light is on. You guys can check. Switch off, switch on, off, on. So this completes our simple electric circuit. Hello friends, so I hope you like this video. My intention was just to show how the electric circuit is made up of. This is a simple electric circuit. So I hope you like this video, and I will post more videos in the future, and I would like to your comment from your side, and I hope you understood. So this is the circuit you can see once again. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.